Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news and take a look at the overall market so that you stay informed in the world of Web3. Today, guys, Tuesday, we've had the newsletter go out. Bitcoin's looking good in my opinion. We are in Uptober finally, and you know what follows Uptober? Moonvember. So hopefully, we've entered Q4. It's going to be a bullish few months. But let me know what you think of in the chat. I'll just go through the chat now as well. We got Steve. Steve, I hope you're doing well. Steve is saying long it 25x. We're going to do a trade today. Let me know if you think I should trade Solana or Bitcoin. If Steve's saying long 25x, I normally trade 20x on this account, but we've been doing pretty well. So we'll go for a 25x, Steve, all for you, my friend. But let's have a look. Let me know, guys, if you want me to long Bitcoin or Solana, or if you think I should go short in the chat as well. This is all for fun, not financial advice, guys. And make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, what are you doing, guys? And if you're not subscribed to our newsletter as well, which we'll go through, also, what are you doing, guys? We've got over 25,000 newsletter subscribers that get our weekly alpha. So make sure that you're one of them as well. We've got Pack in the chat. Pack, I hope you're doing well, my friend. Let me just take off this like and subscribe banner, but make sure you like, guys. And then we'll get straight into it. So let's have a look. Bitcoin below 65,000. It's actually dipped below 64,000 right now. Ethereum, every time I've done a stream in the last week, Ethereum's been consistently around this price. Hardly any movement for Ethereum there. Solana is edging towards 160. I'm a little bit hesitant. I think there will be a retracement here. We'll also go through the analysis for Solana there as well. XRP has finally got over 60 cents. If we go down, Toncoin, yeah, it's heading towards $6. Tron, not so well, falling out the top 10 still. And then let's have a look at some gainers. Actually, I'll do the live stream trade first, and then we'll look at the gainers and losers, guys. Let me know what you think I should be trading right now. We've got Steve saying go 25x long. We may have to go for it. I kind of want to go short here. Let's see what Stonksy is saying on the 5 minute. 5 minute is still in a long position. It got quite a nice entry here. Let's have a look, see if it was been accurate on the 5 minute. We got a short position from 154. Yeah, you could have got out of here around there, which would have been good. Let's have another look at Stonksy. Let's get the ruler out here. So okay, let's say it went from here. Yeah, some nice, could have been up here though. Some nice positions though, you 1%, if you got nice leverage on that, happy days. Steve saying go long on Sol. It looks like I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to go 25x as well. We're going up the ladder here. Okay, and we've got a maximum of 400, so let's go 200 long on that. Let's do it. It's going to be a big one. Okay, we'll check back in on that. Liquidation price there is 144. And guys, if you're looking to trade on Blofin, no KYC, up to $25,000 withdrawal limits a day. Check out, the link is in the description there. Oh, we're already in a profit, Steve. Keep an eye on that. Average price there was 156. Oh, I'm not even sharing the right tab. Apologies, guys. I basically I put a 25x long on. Thanks to Steve there. Average price 156. So we will check up on that at the end of the stream. But let's head over to the newsletter. If you are subscribed, it will be in your inbox already. Make sure to go check it out, or you can always go check it out on Beehive. If you're part of the Discord, we do have a newsletter section there as well. So we're going to go through Solana, Sui, Fear and Greed, and some important dates as well. Just to shout out to the sponsor of today's newsletter, Solidus AI Tech. I believe they're AI marketplace. So the AI Tech token was built with vast utility and is used in the Launchpad, which has witnessed many successful launches in 2024, with several others coming soon. AI Tech also used to access GPU marketplace to rent high-performance computing power, staking, and more. So if this is your thing, if you're looking for AI marketplace, or you see some potential there with the whole AI narrative, go check that out. That's aitech.io, guys. We've also got Noel in the chat. Noel, how are you doing? Good to see you. We've also got 24369. Hello, I hope you're doing well, man. Thanks for tuning in. But guys, Bitcoin enters Uptober. So Bitcoin has entered October, dubbed Uptober, due to its typically positive price action over the course of the month. So let's have a look at the outlook here. So Bitcoin witnessed a retrace on Monday following its rise above 66,000. This price could still undergo another drop to clean up the lows left behind during last week's short consolidation period. However, the focus remains on Bitcoin building sustained upwards momentum, and the pullback could be nothing more than a healthy correction after a strong upside move. July's high at 70,000 is now in focus as the next upside level for a liquidity sweep. If Bitcoin provides this, it could either undergo another retrace or make a break towards an all-time high. I think we may see 60,000 first. But then once we go there, it's go time. It's back up to 70,000. Let me know, do you think Bitcoin will reach 70,000 in October? Or perhaps it'll be later in Q4. Let me know in the chat, guys. October candles. So here you can see, look, October, known as Uptober for Bitcoin, is historically a month of good performance. As seen on the chart, October candles typically close green and are some of the biggest during a bull cycle. Here's how October has treated Bitcoin historically. So look, we can go back through the years here. Last year, 28%. 2022 was a slow one, 5%. 2021, as you all know, was an amazing year, 40% there. 2020, 30% again. 2019, 10%. 2018, 3% there. 2017, absolutely bullish year that was, for almost 50% there. And you can go back, look, even 2013, 60%. So October seems good. We've actually got one minus there. That was 2014. But other than that, if you buy Bitcoin in October, you've got a 1 in 10, you've got a 9 in 10 chance rather of it being bullish if you go by those stats. Probably more if you actually count in all the percentages. That was just me doing quick math there. But yeah, let me know, do you think Bitcoin is going to make a new all-time high this month, or at least break 70,000? Or do you think we dip below 60,000 and we're deep in the trenches, guys? But guys, let's have a look at Solana right now. Solana is at a critical point. It is pressing the 160 resistance level that has capped upside momentum on the previous two occasions it tested it. If Sol manages to reclaim it, the move towards $185 could be explosive after suppression as resistance for several months. From there, the target of all-time highs can be looked at. Still, the possibility of a further drop remains if Bitcoin heads lower. So yeah, these lowers, we need to break through 160. If we break through 160, that 185, I would even say a little bit higher, that kind of 190 region is unlocked as well. And if we go back, if I go onto the chart here, let's go onto the daily chart. Let me share this tab instead. Back in April, we were pushing over 200. I think 210, 209 was kind of the all-time high back there. So if we can get above this kind of 175 up to 185, if we push above that 190 level, definitely we're going above 200 with Solana. And I think it will form a nice formation there. But yeah, look, if we head back down to these 120 levels, who knows? Not looking good. On the daily chart on Stonksy, it's just turned bullish as well. So hopefully that's good. If we go on to, if we measure on the daily how effective some of these are. Okay, if you'd held it the whole time, you'd be in a loss with that one. But say if you'd held it there, nice, 15% down position. Let's have a look back on our trade, see how we're doing right now. Let's have a look. We are, break even there currently. Not sure which way that's going. Let's have a look at the rest of the newsletter. We've got Sui here. So one of the best performers in the top 100 throughout September, the coin became a hot topic and gained traction from market participants. Sui is just 17% away from its all-time high. If the upside momentum continues, it could enter price discovery, with an additional gain of 73%, taking it to a $10 billion market cap. To claim a spot in the top 10, Sui must reach only $5.70. So if we zoom in, we're at a price of I'll bring it up on, let me share this tab. I'll bring it up on here. Let's have a look where we're at. Yeah, so some amazing growth here. You can see Stonksy called the long position on the daily chart there. Very nice position. Let's measure that out to where we are now. Yeah, lovely 74% gain. So if you are using Stonksy, For altcoins, guys, let me know. I think on the daily chart, it seems quite effective. If we look down here, if you've got it towards the bottom, that's a 50% drop as well. We still need to perfect, when Stonksy calls to leave positions. Very good at entering them, not so good at telling you when to leave them. But let me know, do we have any SUI holders in the chat? Do you think SUI could triple in price and head towards $6, which would place it in the top 10? Let me know. It's something that I've seen our community talk a lot about, but not my, I haven't actually dipped my toe in. I know it's a competitor to Solana. I'm a Solana maxi, yada yada. But where there's opportunity, where there's volume, I think you cannot not miss out on that. So let's have a look at the fear and greed. We're bang on in the middle, 50 neutral. Yeah, we can see last week was 54. Yesterday was greedy at 61. Let's have a look at some important dates. Today we have the ISM manufacturing PMI. Tomorrow, ADP employment changes, ISM services, non-farm payrolls, gainers, FTX token, 65% in the last week. Bonk has been absolutely smashing it. As you guys know, I publicly bought over 100, it was bang on 100 Solana of Bonk a few weeks ago. I was mentioning it in the stream, so hats off if you followed there. I still think Bonk for me targets 3 billion to 5 billion market cap. Let me pull Bonk up on a chart and we will go through that. But congrats to anyone who bought Bonk. When I mentioned it a few weeks back before the Solana breakpoint, I was going off of previous years, especially around Solana breakpoint, always has a nice trickle up. So let's have a look here. Share this tab. Yeah, look, we got Bonk. I think I was calling Bonk around the $1.2 billion market cap. That's why we on the 5 minute. Let's go on to the day. Or maybe let's go on to the 1 hour rather. Yeah, 1 hour looking absolutely lovely. So that's the fully diluted. Perhaps I was calling it a 1.2 market cap, but still lovely gains. I was calling it around these levels here. So if we measure that out, let's go from the high. Yeah, called a lovely 50% gain on that one, guys. So my 100 Solana worth of Bonk will now be roughly 150 Solana, and that's how we do it, guys. I will be holding this. Like I say, I think this has got further legs. I think we go up to $3 to $5 billion market cap. As always, not financial advice, but let me know if you hold Bonk, if you took the call, or if you've been holding Bonk for a long time now. It's making it's setting the bar for all meme coins, especially on Solana, but in meme coins in general. So let's have a look at the rest of the gainers. We got Pepe. It was a good week for meme coins. Dog with Hat, ENA there, Shiba as well. Yeah, lots of meme coins. Floki even coming up on that. Obviously, Sui, which you just mentioned. Losers. Monero's not been doing too well. This has been in the loser section for a while now. BNB dropping below $600, 578 there. Perhaps the CZ news was a little bit. People were buying into it, hyping it up. We've got eGold. I know a lot of eGold holders amongst our community. Not looking good, bruv. Under $30. It pains me to see eGold under $100. I know the team are still working. If any of the team are listening, or if anyone knows the team, I've spoken to a few of them at events. But perhaps it'd be nice to have their say if they want to come on the show, or even join an AMA. That would be amazing as well. But guys, I wanted to show, just pull your attention to a little bit further down here. So it is October. We are doing, we've never done this before as well. So we are opening up Crypto Saving Expert Community Plus to everyone. So we're doing a 1 month free trial. Use code Uptober. The link is in the description below. Choose the community section, not the premium. We have 2 tiers. There's community and premium. Make sure you click on community. If you use code Uptober, you get 1 month completely free. From that, you'll get access to our Discord, access to our AMAs where we share all the alpha, new projects coming up, and we've lots more. As we say here, there's some amazing traders. We've got Block Pro in there who you've seen on stream. We've got a lot of the founders also in there as well. We've got an AMA, a town hall with that Martini guy tomorrow, guys. So if you sign up now, you will be able to join the town hall tomorrow. which hopefully we do have some alpha ready to unlock for you guys as well. So yeah, you're saving £100 because it's absolutely free. So go check it out, guys. One-time offer only for October. So make sure to join soon, guys. I will check in on the trade. Let's see how we're doing there. We're in a $5 profit. Woohoo! I'm going to let that run. I'm going to perhaps set a take profit and perhaps even a stop loss. I'll probably be a little bit, I'll give it some room. I do think we are going higher. But guys, thanks for tuning in today. We do have a live stream with IPMD tomorrow, gold stablecoin, I believe at 12 o'clock midday UK time. So make sure you tune in for that. I will put out the announcement really soon as well. Just working on the thumbnail with that one. So we have the founder from the gold stablecoin coming on the show to discuss their project, discuss how it all works, and discuss the future of stablecoins and pegging coins rather to fiat currency, to real world assets like gold as well. So it's going to be an interesting conversation. I hope you tune in, guys. As always, thanks for joining. Make sure to slap a like on the video before you leave today. And guys, have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow